Hair gurus and new, she slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with Disastrous Beauty.
Beauty, and I am coming back with another video. Today's video is obviously going to be a wig review, but before we get into that, I want to say, if you're not already subscribed, girl, click that subscribe button. It's not going to cost you not one red cent. And if you like this video and you like these sorts of videos in general, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am Disastrous Beauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Healthy Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous B on Twitter. Now let's get into this video. Okay, y'all, so the unit that I am rocking today was sent to me by Beauty Forever Hair. Shout out to you, Beauty Forever, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. And shout out to you for the goodies. You know your girl loves some goodies. Okay, so with this particular wig, the information that they sent me about it is this unit is their Honey Blonde Body Wave wig, and I'm gonna go ahead and click on it. If I'm not mistaken, they did send me 24 inches in this unit. So on the site it says Beauty Forever 13 by 4 highlight lace front wig, bone straight. Now I don't know why it says bone straight, because this is definitely body wave. So maybe you can get it, yeah, you can get this unit in body wave if you want to. It says human hair wig, ombre blonde, honey blonde, brown lace front wig. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on here and see if I can find more details about the unit. Okay, so on their site you do have options to get it curly, to get it straight, or to get it in body wave like I am wearing. This unit is available in 14 to 26 inches, and it does have the different color options on here. So it got highlight straight, balayage curly, and balayage body wave, which is what I am wearing. And it can ship from China or the United States, and it is 150% density. So the only density that they have available in this unit is 150, which is this one, which in my opinion is pretty full. It can actually kind of give off 180. That's, honey, that's just my opinion, honey. Don't come for me, okay? That's just what she's giving to me. Okay, yeah, so this unit does come with 2 combs in the front and 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps. And as they stated, this is a body wave texture and is a 13 by 4. So a 13 by 4 meaning that the parting only goes back 4 inches. So I want you guys to be mindful of that. It's not so much of a big deal when you're doing a middle part like I'm wearing, but it can be a little tricky when you want to do a deep side part. So you will have to definitely curve it so you won't see width, if you know what I mean. Like, you know how you see the little C curve? I'm still mastering that, child, but you know what I'm talking about, okay? I did do the ball cap method with this unit. This unit does come with brown lace, and as you guys may know if you watch me, sometimes I struggle with the brown lace, and I haven't like gone outside, but I can already kind of see it doesn't blend that great with my skin tone, in my opinion. Sometimes I can find one that does a little bit better than most, but for the most part it doesn't. So I want you guys to be mindful of that. If you are my complexion or lighter, that it may or may not blend in with your skin tone. So yeah, I did do the ball cap method, and I did decide to use the EBIN lace glue. As you guys can see, I didn't show myself doing the ball cap method, but I do show myself applying the unit, and I did use my EBIN lace glue, and then I, you know, kind of blow dried it and made sure it was tacky enough. Then I applied the unit. Then I went on to do my baby hairs, and I used on my baby hairs the foam wrapping lotion, and then I tied it all up. Now I did curl my baby hairs, and when I curled them, I used my little bitty flat irons from Pretty Young Thing or something like that. I got it out of a BoxyCharm, child, so I don't know a lot about it, but I did. That's where I did get it from. And after that, I curled the unit, and before curling the wig, I used some Burb Ghost Oil. And I applied that to the hair, and then I curled it, and then I decided, child, somewhere along the way, that I didn't want it to be that curly, that I wanted a wave. Like, I could have just left the old girl alone. I also did apply some layers to the unit, as you guys can probably see or have seen at some point. Hopefully I add that in. I'm trying to get used to this new method of filming, but yeah, I did do all of that on camera. And yeah, that is pretty much it. As far as this wig being big head friendly, I feel like this unit is extremely big head friendly. Like, even with the straps adjusted, it was still like loose enough for me, which I really like because I feel like I have more room to manipulate with the unit. If you're trying to go for a glueless look, it can be an issue if you are an average cap size like I am. But if you are actually gluing the unit down and all of that extra stuff, I love when a unit is a little, you know, gives me a little more wiggle room. So this unit did definitely do that. So in my opinion, it is more medium to large head friendly than not. As far as shed and tangling go with this wig, straight out of the packaging, I did not receive any of the things. That's not to say, as I always say, that at some point old girl won't do any of the things, honey. That's just me saying that right now she isn't doing any of the things, okay? So shout out to you, Beauty Forever, for that. Okay, y'all, so now we can get into the pros and cons of this wig. We're gonna start with the cons. The main con, or the only con really for me with this wig, is the fact that it is brown lace. Y'all, I am just, brown lace just does not do it for me. I do prefer HD or transparent lace just for my personal preference, only because it does tend to, you know, not blend in like I would like it to. It may look decent on camera under these lights, but when I'm out and about out here in these streets, it doesn't blend as seamlessly as HD or transparent lace. Now granted, if you are a little darker than me, then it probably will blend in much better, but for me it doesn't. So that is my con with this unit, and it is basically my only con with this wig. So yeah, that is that on that. Now, as far as pros go with this particular wig, child, okay, as far as the pros go, I love this unit, y'all, okay? I think it is really nice. I love the color. I think the color is perfection. I love a good honey blonde, and I like the lighter colors that's in there. I'm not sure what that is. Y'all can tell me down below, because y'all know I ain't nobody's expert, but I love the blend of these sort of units. And I also like that, in my opinion, for those of us who like to wear certain colors during certain times of the year, that this is still fall appropriate, because it has some darker colors, that brown sort of color mixed in. So I feel like this is always a really nice, safe blonde to wear in the winter time, in the fall time, in my opinion. Like, honey, I mean, don't come for me. That's just strictly my opinion, girl. As far as the hairline, I felt like the hairline was really nice, especially if you're like me and you're not the best at tweezing and you don't really like to tweeze. I really like that this unit did come pre-tweezed. I know I got the ghetto baby hairs going on right now, but I mean, that's just what I was feeling today, okay? That's just how she woke up today. So that's what I gave. I gave what I was feeling, you know what I mean? So that's why I did decide to do the extra baby hairs. But yeah, I don't feel like it's necessarily necessary. Necessary. I feel like you can still get away without doing them, especially if you're not a baby hair person like I am. And yeah, those are my pros with this particular wig. So do I recommend Old Girl? Should you purchase Old Girl? Okay, should you get her? In my opinion, yes. I feel like it is worth it. I feel like even though it's 150% density, she's thicker than a snicker. You know how I like to say she's thicker than my baby cousin Ashley. Okay, and they don't get no thicker. Alright, so I really like that the unit is thick even though it's 150% density. I love how flowy it is. I loved how it curled even though I decided to brush all the doggone curls out. I really do recommend this wig. I really think it's a nice unit in my personal opinion, honey. Don't come for me. I like her. I think she's a look. Despite the con of it having brown lace, I feel like she's a look, and I'm still gonna wear her out here in these streets. So yeah, I would personally recommend you guys purchasing this unit. Alright, y'all, so now we can get into this full 360 and we can wrap in a lint check and wrap this thing all the way up. So So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, I am feeling this unit. I would recommend this unit. If you are interested in purchasing this wig, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And once again, shout out to you Beauty Forever Hair for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions that you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not subscribed, click the subscribe button so it's not going to cost you not one red cent. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am Disastrous Beauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Healthy Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous B on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.
Bad little flex, she wanna know